So y'all, this is what the Flash said. YouTubers and fans, this is what the Flash said.
When I'm using the Speed Force, time travel is pretty much instantaneous. I can travel through time in the blink of an eye, so it shouldn't take much time at all to explore the future and come back to the present. The Speed Force is ridiculously fast, so I'll be able to investigate things quickly and come back to the present moment before you know it.
This is what said she's gonna find out what happened. And we're calling.
You know that house happy that they call Josh. So you know what I mean?
So he said a lot of crazy shit, y'all.
You know they give you code now.
Do you hear that, guys? Is that rain? Hold up. Is that rain? Is that rain? Look, guys. Can you see it? Can you see outside? It looks like it's storming outside. Let's give it a look. Is that rain? Is that? What's that? So, in my last video, you saw me get struck by lightning and gain powers. So, I called the Flash at 3 AM, and he struck me with lightning, and I got superpowers, and I play clip right now. See? See, the Flash actually gave me superpowers. Pretty cool, huh? So,